Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Hiborateed Heavy Duty Construction Adhesive Kit. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get the bag open here, first of all, we're going to show you that it's a simple construction adhesive. It's going to work on a lot of different things, but I want to show, without having to actually glue anything, I want to show you that you can probably see the way this kind of bends with my fingers, because what we're going to be doing is obviously utilizing these pieces to kind of we'll put this on and we're going to squeeze this out. We'll clip the tip off and squeeze this out, or we can just pour it out and squeeze a little bit depending on how much you need to use, which is really nice. And then also with this you'll find kind of a nice little piece of sandpaper for a circular sander that will allow you to do some stuff. And then of course a little scraper tool that'll kind of allow you to scrape off any extras, and then just kind of a simple edging and or patching capability with the tape. So my favorite part about this stuff is sometimes you get these things and, you know, they're 8-ounce bottles, 7.4 fluid ounces here, and it's like impossible to squeeze the stuff out. But this stuff is great because it's so easy and flexible as a bottle. So to me, definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.